Samsung is working on a huge visual update for its apps, and one of the biggest changes is coming to Samsung Internet. A new leak has revealed the redesigned look of the browser, and it seems even bigger than what many people expected. This update is likely tied to One UI 8.5, which could launch early next year, and it brings a fresh design that fits the new direction Samsung is taking with many of its built-in apps. Samsung Internet already received a light redesign with One UI 8.0, but that update didn't go very far because Samsung had introduced a major UI change just a year before. Now, new leaked images suggest that the company is finally ready to introduce a much more dramatic redesign. The leaked version is labeled 29.1, 2.23, and based on what we're seeing, Samsung Internet is getting a cleaner, more modern, and more flexible interface. One of the first things users will notice is the new introduction screen. It has a fresher look and matches the updated design language we've seen in other One UI 8.5 apps. But the biggest change is the new address bar design. Instead of the current simple layout, Samsung is switching to a two-section look that feels a lot like Apple's liquid glass design. The left side of the address bar is larger and contains the home icon and the website URL. The right section is shorter and holds the browsing assist icon, the tabs icon, and the options menu. It's a cleaner, more organized layout that keeps things easy to reach. And just like before, Samsung is still giving users control. You can rearrange these shortcuts however you like. Customization has always been one of Samsung Internet's strong points, and this update builds on that. The main menu also gets a new look. Instead of the full screen grid layout that slides up from the bottom, the new design opens as a vertical flyover menu. It looks lighter, less cluttered, and easier to navigate with one hand. This change matches what we're seeing across other One UI 8.5 apps, where Samsung is moving toward floating menus and pill-shaped elements. Speaking of pill shapes, the URL bar now comes in three styles: compact, standard, and bottom. The compact style is the most minimal, showing a small pill-shaped bar floating near the bottom of the screen. The standard option is a bit longer and sits in the same floating position. The bottom style matches the current One UI 8.0 layout, where the bar is fixed to the bottom of the screen. This gives users choices depending on whether they prefer simplicity, reachability, or the familiar old layout. The tab view also gets a redesign. Users will now be able to choose between three viewing styles: list, grid, and stack. The list view is simple and easy for scrolling quickly through many tabs. The stack view layers tabs on top of each other so you can flip through them like cards. The new grid view is different from the one currently available in One UI 8.0. Instead of a crowded layout, it now shows tabs in a cleaner two-column arrangement. The number of rows adjusts automatically depending on how many tabs are open, giving the whole interface a more polished feel. At the bottom of the tabs screen, users will see a pill-shaped bar floating above the background. This bar contains all the tab management controls, such as creating new tabs, closing tabs, or switching modes. This floating control bar matches the design Samsung is using in other updated apps like Finder, Gallery, and Phone. The goal is to create a more unified look across One UI 8.5, and Samsung Internet is following that new design pattern closely. Overall, this leak suggests that Samsung is preparing a much bigger redesign for Samsung Internet than anyone expected. The new look is cleaner, more modern, and more customizable, with floating elements and pill-shaped UI components becoming a major part of the design language. If this update launches with One UI 8.5 early next year, Samsung Internet users can expect a fresh new browsing experience that feels faster, lighter, and more future-ready.